Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to unbox my BoxyCharm box. Ooh, ooh. So excited. So let's see what is inside this box. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is I got the cleansing spa water wipes. I have a face full of makeup on, right? So I'm going to open this baby up. These are by Do. So here's one wipe. Doesn't smell bad. Okay, so let's see if this can wipe off my pretty makeup that I just did with my Jawbreaker palette that I just did in my last video. I did the review. Ooh, hello. Okay, BoxyCharm. Alright, let's see. Dude. Oh, I look crazy. But this works. Like, this is a really good makeup wipe. Okay, Boxy. You guys, that took off my makeup completely. That's crazy. Okay, I like that. I got some brushes by Luxie, which I love. Comes with a large blending brush, a precision crease brush, and a foundation brush. Ooh. Very nice. I will use those brushes. And this, I like my beauty blenders, and I see that I got a mask. And I love Elemis. Elemis is such a good, expensive brand. Ooh. It smells like mint and vegetables. It's weird. Okay, so I'm going to put this on. Apply mask twice weekly. Avocado and broccoli seed oils. So 10 minutes with this. I'm going to put it on this brush. And just, ooh, yeah. Nice green mask. This feels so good, you guys. It's a nourishing probiotic green mask. So that feels amazing. This was a good brush to use for it. Got it all dirty. Because I don't see painting my face with this. But I love Luxie brushes. They're amazing. I use, like, all my eye brushes are Luxie or Alamar Cosmetics. And then I got this Butter London. Like, that packaging is so gorgeous. Eyeshadow palette. With a mirror. Those beautiful, gorgeous shades. And then I got a gorgeous Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. Oh my gosh, Ofra stuff always smells like cupcakes and amazingness. It's a little interesting color. I bet I can make that work. That's not bad. That makes my green eyes like really, really pop. This is in the shade Santorini. I'm going to go into the shade Enchantress. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's Butter London. It's supposed to be like butter, I guess. Ooh. This is like a really, really, really dark highlight. I want to give this eyeshadow a fair try, so I'm going to put on some concealer on my eye real quick. Okay, now that I look crazy, goldish, I'm gonna make that work. I'll make it work. I'm going to go into this tealish color. Okay, that's pretty. I'm going to go into Temptress. Okay, that's a pretty dark brown to deepen up my inner third lid and crease just a little bit. And then I think I'm going to go into, let's see, this is Queen. This is Diva. Ooh, kind of maybe Diva. And Star. I'm going to go in with Diva. Ooh, so pretty. This is a pretty good palette. Then I'm going to go in with my mini round brush and go into Temptress. Got that lower lash line. And then take another one of these wipes and wipe off the mask. Okay, I look super crazy. But I'm going to finish the rest of my face makeup because I look crazy. And my eyebrows. Yeah. And I will be right back. Okay guys, that's the final look. I don't hate it. I used to legit wear like lipstick like this all the time back in the day. It wouldn't be bad for like some looks. I guess it's just really like boom in your face, but I can make that work. Might be a little too much for this eye look I did, but this palette isn't bad. I really liked the mask. Like, I still feel like so clean and like really legit nourished. Like, my skin feels so good. So I really love the mask. I mean, you can't go wrong with Elemis. Elemis is a really great product. And that mask is $35. So the usual mask I use is like maybe $9 to $10. So for $35, that's really good. The eyeshadow palette is $32. I don't know necessarily. Okay, so the eye look, it came out good. It blended nicely. It's pretty pigmented. I mean, it looks pretty. It's just me, myself, would not pay $32 for this. I just wouldn't. So, sorry about that. I will use it, however, so for quick, maybe neutral looks, but I could not pay $32 for that. The brush set, definitely $30. It's a good set. I liked using this for the mask. That was great. These are great. I wasn't, you know, with Luxie, there's no going wrong with them. I love Luxie. They do a great job, and their brushes are just, they feel nice and soft, and they don't do the work for you, but, you know, they're amazing brushes. If you don't use good brushes, your makeup isn't gonna look as good. The Ofra, it's very pigmented. It smells amazing. That is $20. Like, I probably will wear this again. I probably will, because I'm weird. I don't think everybody would like this color, though. But it's not bad. And this was amazing. I mean, you guys saw it just right off my face. So that's amazing. That is $17 for those. I mean, those are pretty good. I don't know if I would spend $17 for that, like, on my own. I don't know, but they're natural herb essence, oil free. I used it, like all over my face, on my eyes, and it took the makeup right off. I had a hard time getting off my mascara though, so that's the only thing that bugged me a little bit about that. But other than that, like, it made my skin feel amazing. So yeah. I am not upset. I like my box. It was a pretty good one. I feel like maybe, was it last month's? Like, last month BoxyLux was amazing. Like, I used this highlight and I use the bronzer and contour like every single day. I'm obsessed. I think my favorite thing out of the box is this mask, and this mask was $35. So, but I will use everything. So, and I do like how this eye look turned out, and it's making my eyes look like, my eyes are green. And they almost look, oh wait, no, they're green. I was gonna say, they looked almost blue. But, so I'd have to say my favorite products were, because I won't buy this stuff on my own, unless, like, I really, really, like, love it and have to have it. But I really liked this, and I really love this. This is $35. I would have such a hard time spending $35 for this. But this brand is amazing. I love their anti-aging cream, and just it's amazing. So anyways, I hope you guys like this look I created and how crazy I looked before I put my face makeup on and my eyebrows and my lashes, because I was looking crazy. So I hope you guys loved this unboxing, and I hope you guys would like to see more. And if you guys are interested in BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a $21 a month subscription. You get over hundreds of dollars worth of products for $21 a month. That's amazing. And if you only like a couple of things, it's still, like, usually even that one item is more than the whole entire box. So it's well worth it. Like, I'm obsessed with BoxyCharm. I have had so many things that I've, like, loved, so I won't give up on them. Even if, like, a box doesn't, like, wow me, I have had other boxes wow me. So I hope you guys like this unboxing and my craziness and how crazy I looked before I put all my face makeup on. I love you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.